Hi, hello, welcome to this channel. This video I will show you how to change your channel name on YouTube on mobile. So you have to open your YouTube studio and then you choose the channel you want to change the name or rename it. You just click that icon and then choose the channel. It's supposed to be one or more channel on these options because you have your own channel as a person and then your brand accounts and so on. So after you choose the channels and then here you click again the icon and then click this manage your Google account. Okay, click that one and then here you can click or tap this personal info. After that it should be has a name of your brand channel. You can change the name or rename it. Just click the name and then usually it has to be verified. Yes, this is I have to verifying my account, so I will post the video. Yeah, I've been successful to challenge the security code, but because I opened the brand account, I can't change the name using this myaccount.google.com because the setting can be changed for your account because this is the brand account, not the personal account. So I have to open my brand account page on the Google Chrome. So I will open my Google Chrome and then you have to type in brand account. Here you can see manage your brand account. Oops, this is the help settings. I go back and then here my account and Google account brands. And then here I will change I will see the brand account here. All the brand accounts will be shown here. I will change my Google account and then here the channel that I want to change the name and then click these channels and then here you can see this edit account info. Yep, this is the name. It should be I can change the name. See, I can change the name by clicking the pencil icon and then I have to retype in the security code, so I will post the video. Now I've been open this change name, or I already successful to challenge the security code and then I can change the name. Okay, after that you can click this save and then after that your channel name will be changed. Okay, that's it, this tutorial. I hope it's helpful for you. If it is, please subscribe our channel and then if you have any question please put on the comment below. Thank you, bye bye.